everyone. Welcome back to our phonics class. This is period 9. My name is Teacher Louise.
And my name is Teacher Nook. Okay.
Class, let's say hi to our friends.
Hi. Okay. Before we start the class, I would like you to do some brain gym together. But today we will warm our hands, our eyes, our ears, and our cheeks. Alright? So you will put your hands up, hands. And then this is called palm. Palm. Okay. So you will use 2 hands rub together. ทำให้อุ้งมืออุ่นๆนะคะเด็กๆลองดูกิจกรรมนี้จะเหมาะกับเวลาฤดูหนาวมากนะคะที่อากาศเย็นๆเช้ามาเนี่ยเราก็จะออกกำลังกายกันหน่อยเสร็จแล้วเอาไปวางมือตอนนี้มืออุ่นๆแล้วนะคะวางไว้ที่ตานะคะเช้ามาตาก็จะตื่นพร้อมที่จะเรียนรู้พร้อมที่จะมองดูสิ่งที่ทีเชอร์สอนนะคะ again
rub it again
one more time ร้อนหรือยังคะตอนนี้ไว้ที่หูนะคะตอนนี้หูจะตื่นละพร้อมที่จะฟังสิ่งดีๆที่ทีเชอร์สอนอีกครั้งหนึ่งครั้งสุดท้ายนะคะเสร็จแล้วไปแตะไว้ที่แก้มตอนนี้พร้อมแล้วที่จะเรียนรู้ Okay Teacher Louise now they are ready
Yes okay so today also teacher I'll be teaching them a clap
okay
and the other time or in our other class I've already taught them the fireworks clap but we're gonna call this one fireworks clap number 2 okay so fireworks clap number 2 goes like this okay so boom okay so in our other class, we did fireworks clap number 1. Boom. Wow. But today, it's going to be fireworks clap number 2. Okay, let's do it. Fireworks clap number 2. 1, 2, 3, go. Boom. Okay, so it doesn't matter if it goes up or down.
Okay. Left or right?
Boom. Okay, let's do it one more time.
One more time.
Let's do it one more time. Okay, are you ready? Yes. Fireworks clap number 1 first. Can we do number 1? Okay, number 1 first and then number 2. Okay, fireworks clap number 1 from here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Boom. Wow. Fireworks clap number 2. 1, 2, 3, go. Boom. Very good. And 1, 2, 3. Ooh. Okay, very good.
Oh, what the new sound that we will learn today?
Okay, the new sound that we'll be learning today is the sound of this letter C. And there's also one letter that has the same sound as the letter C, and that is letter K. So letter C, and letter K has the same sound. Letter C and letter K has the same sound. Okay? So the sound of letter C and letter K is K. Repeat after teacher. Always remember that letter C and K has the same sound. They have the same sound. Okay?
Okay.
Now, we will teach you the action. Okay? For Jolly Phonics, they have only one action for letter C and letter Okay, so the action for letter C goes like this. Can we do it? 1, 2, 3, go. Now, in order for us not to confuse the kids or the students, we will do the letter K up here like flying a kite. Okay? So letter K, let's do it like this. 1, 2, 3, go. So that is letter K. Okay, and this is letter C. This is letter? What letter is this? K. This one is letter C. Let's do letter C first, and let's do letter K after. 3 times for letter C, and 3 times for letter K. All right? So let's do letter C. 1, 2, 3, go. And then for letter K, it's like the kite. It's up there. Okay? All right. So
เด็กๆ คะ ตัว C กับตัว K เนี่ยเสียงเหมือนกันนะคะ แต่ว่าเพื่อที่เราจะไม่สับสนระหว่างตัว C นะคะ ตัว C นี้กับตัว K ตรงนี้นะคะ เราก็เลยมีท่าที่แตกต่างกันออกไปนะคะสำหรับตัว C เนี่ยเราจะเป็นเสียงแบบนี้เหมือนที่ทิชเชอร์ลูอีสสอนเมื่อกี้นะคะเป็นเหมือนรูปภาพตรงนี้นะคะมีผู้หญิงคนเนี่ยเขาเรียกว่า castanets นะคะคล้ายๆกับกลับบ้านเรานะคะกลับบ้านเราแล้วก็ส่วนตัว K เนี่ยเหมือนกับ kite นะคะ kite ก็คือว่าวเวลาเราเล่นเนี่ยเราจะfly in the sky นะคะ kite เนี่ยจะลอยขึ้นไปอยู่บนท้องฟ้าก็เลยจะสูงขึ้นมาหน่อยก็เป็นลองทำพร้อมกันนะคะ 1 2 3 ตัว C ค่ะ Good job.
all right.
Yes.
So now I want you to listen to our song, the letter C and the letter K song. We are clicking castanets.
We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets.
Clicking castanets, we are clicking castanets. Kites are flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky.
Flying in the sky.
Kites are flying in the sky.
Oh, very fun, teacher.
Yes, so that's, what is the sound of letter C again? And sound of letter K is? Can we do the action with the sound? 1, 2, 3, go. And? Okay, so let's learn the song. Okay? Okay, so it goes like this. We are.
We are.
We are.
We are.
Clicking.
Clicking.
Castanets.
Castanets.
So the girl or the dancer, she is a dancer. Repeat after teacher. Dancer.
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 Say she can dance. Dancer. She is holding a castanets. Okay? So repeat after teacher. Castanets.
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 Oh, I can only hear.
No power,
Yes,
teacher.
I can only hear castanets.
Castanets.
Very good. We are
We are
clicking castanets.
clicking castanets.
Again. Okay. We are
We are
clicking
clicking
castanets.
castanets.
Your turn. 1, 2, 3, go. We are clicking castanets. Can I do it here? With this song? No. Should be just here. Okay? This one is kite already. Okay? Next. And then we are clicking castanets. 1, 2, 3, go.
We are clicking castanets. Clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, you're ready for letter C. But let's try to learn letter K. Teacher Nu, let's try to learn letter K. Okay, this one, again, this is the sound of letter K and the action for letter K. Repeat after teacher. Kites.
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 Oh, what can you see here? What picture can you see here? A picture of a kite. Very good. It's a picture of a kite. Okay. Now, let's read. Kites are flying.
Are flying.
Oh, flying. They're flying. Yes. In the sky.
In the sky.
In the sky.
In the sky.
1, 2, 3, go. Can we do it again? 1, 2, 3, go. Good job. And then you will repeat, kites are flying in the sky. 1, 2, 3, go.
Kites are flying in the sky.
And then repeat again. Kites are flying in the sky. Repeat after teacher. 1, 2, 3, go.
Kites are flying in the sky.
Kites are flying in the sky. Flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. Right. Are you ready to sing the song?
Yes.
Okay, don't forget to do the action, okay? Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's start and sing the song.
Start from C first.
C. We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. Very good. We are clicking castanets. Clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. Next, K. Kites are flying in the sky. Very good. Kites are flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. Flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. Good job. So today, as what teacher mentioned, we will be learning the sound of letter C and letter K. What is the sound of letter C again? And what is the sound of letter K? Is it the same? Is it the same? Yes, it's the same. So C and K has the same sound. All right? So let's, when you see the pictures and the words, please repeat after teacher. So teacher will say first, and after you follow. Okay. First picture. Okay, repeat after teacher. Cook. Cook.
Cook.
His job, he is a cook. Okay, a cook cooks food.
Yes.
Okay, or chef. Very good, or chef. But this time we use the word cook. Repeat after teacher. Cook.
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 Very good. Next. Oh, we have a car. Very good. This is a picture of a car. 1, 2, 3, go. Car. Again, I want you to repeat it. One louder this time. 1, 2, 3, go. Car. Very good. Okay, next. What could be the next picture? Oh, it's the letter. Is it letter C or letter K? K this time. Okay, so the word letter K, but it has the same sound as letter C. So we will start with this one. Again. Kitten. 1, 2, 3, go. Kitten. 1, 2, 3, go. Kitten. So this is a kitten. A kitten is a baby cat. A baby cat. It's called a kitten. Okay? Next. Oh, this one, repeat after teacher. King.
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 Okay, so this is also letter K. Okay, it sounds as the same as letter C. Next. Oh, this one is the letter K sound as well. We have the, oh, you know this word already. What is this? What picture is it? It's a picture of a kite. Repeat after teacher. Kite.
Kite.
Excellent. Okay, kite.
Kite.
Very good. Okay, let's check for more words. Oh, and then there's the letter C sound also. Oh, who loves this? Who loves this?
Teacher.
Do you love eating this one? Ooh, let's read. Candy.
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 This is a lollipop, but a lollipop is a candy, okay? Lollipop. Repeat after teacher. Lollipop.
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 But a lollipop is a candy. Repeat after teacher. Candy.
Candy.
Again. Candy.
Candy.
Good. Next. Oh, if there's a kitten, the older cat, the older one is called a cat. Let's repeat after teacher. Cat. 1, 2, 3, go. Cat. Oh, very good. Again. 1, 2, 3, go. Cat. So this is a cat. A baby cat is called what?
Kitten.
Oh, excellent. Very
Good job.
good. Okay, and then I guess that's all the pictures already, okay? So let's read each word. So I want you to remember and look at the picture carefully and remember the words that's under the picture or below the picture. Okay? So first, let's read all our letter C's. Okay? Let's read. Cook. 1, 2, 3, go. Cook. Car. Candy. Cat. This time, repeat after teacher. Teacher will say first and you follow. Okay? Cook.
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 Car.
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 Candy.
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 Cat.
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 Now we go to our letter what?
K.
K. Okay? Repeat after teacher. Kitten.
Kitten.
King.
King.
Kite.
Kite.
Okay, let's read it this time. Teacher Nook, I want them to read it by themselves, okay? So I want you to
Okay.
read it by yourselves, okay? 1, 2, 3, go.
Cook.
Cook.
Car. Candy. Cat.
Okay, and then we have
Kitten.
king.
Kite.
Okay, let's produce the sound. Cook. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Cook.
Car. Candy. Cat. Kitten. King. Kite.
Excellent. Very good. Okay? So these are all words. These words has the same sound. It begins with the same sound, and that is sound of and oh, C and K has the same sound, teacher.
Oh,
Okay.
and now we'll move to the story. Okay. It's time for big book.
Yes.
All right. Are you ready to read the book? Okay. But maybe we'll do some exercises
Yes.
a little bit.
A little bit.
Okay. Remember, teacher tell you how to wake up your brain to be ready to listen to the story. Okay. Make your hands like the tiger.
Tiger.
Like this, and then tap gently on your head.
Hand.
Okay, from the middle ตรงกลางนะคะ เลื่อนไปด้านข้างนะคะ มาด้านหลังแล้วก็มาด้านหน้า อีกครั้งหนึ่งมาด้านข้างซ้ายและขวานะคะ ลงมาด้านหลังนะคะ ถึงท้ายทอยเลยนะมีสมองที่ควบคุมการเคลื่อนไหวอยู่ด้านหลังตรงนี้นะคะ แล้วก็ขึ้นมาด้านหน้านะคะ Okay, very good. Now
Alright.
they are ready, teacher.
Okay, so I guess you're ready. And now, look at the big book. I want you to look at the big book. Okay? Look at the big book. And again, tell teacher what are the pictures that you can see. Show good. A car. Okay, there is a car. What else? A cat. Oh, there's a cat. And you can also see what?
Kitchen.
Very good. There. Oh, not kitchen.
Oh,
Not kitchen. I hear kitchen. Oh, again, kitten.
kitten.
Very good. And this is a, what is this? It's a cat. Repeat after teacher. Cat.
Cat.
Kitten.
Kitten.
Cat.
Cat.
Kitten.
Kitten.
Very good. What else? See, what can you see? Huh? A clock. There is a clock. This is a picture of a clock. Repeat after teacher. Clock.
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 Okay, don't forget to, okay, clock. Yes? Just be quiet. Just raise your hand, teacher. Oh, there are plenty of pictures. Yes, what is it? A castle.
Oh, here.
Oh, the car is on its way to the castle. Okay, so this is a castle. Repeat after teacher. Castle.
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 Okay, so this is a castle. Okay. Why don't we try to quickly produce the sound, teacher, while tracing our letter C? Okay, one moment. Let's produce the sound. Again. One, two, three, go.
Oh, teacher, maybe they can write in the air.
Yes. Oh, let's write it in the air. Okay.
Let's
Our
try.
letter C. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh.
One more time.
One more. 1, 2, 3, go. Very good.
Okay, we get the
Okay.
big C.
Yes. And then let's trace letter K. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay. That's a long. All right. Again, so who else? Who can see? What are the pictures that you can see here? Yes. A donkey. Where's a donkey? A donkey is here. Okay, repeat after teacher. Donkey.
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 What else? Yes, Ronkao. A snake.
Again.
Oh, the snake. He went to the park. He went to the garden. And now he's in the castle. Oh. He traveled a long time. Yes, Jerry.
Sit on the mat.
There's, oh. Where is it? Oh. What's the name of the mouse again? What is the name? Inky. Oh, Inky the mouse is traveled with the snake, I guess. Okay,
Oh,
Moyen.
maybe, teacher, maybe now it's time to sit down on the mat.
Oh, sit down first, sit down. 1, 2, 3. Sit. Just raise your hand. Okay, Moyen, what can you see? A spider. Where is the spider?
Somewhere, let's see, where is it?
Mm-hmm.
Can you see, teacher?
Oh.
Oh, very small.
Very good. It's a small spider. Repeat after teacher. Spider.
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 Is the spider big or is it small? Small. So this is a small
Small
spider.
spider.
Okay. All right. What else? Yes, Ben. Huh? Oh. Okay. This one is the hill, teacher.
hill, and
The
look-
castle is on the hill.
Hill.
Okay. What else? Yes. Q.
Clap.
A crab. Okay, repeat after teacher. Crab.
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 Oh, there are a lot of things. Yes, one more. Put it.
Bee.
A bee. Again, where is the bee here? Oh, there's the bee. Okay, repeat after teacher. Bee.
B.
Bee.
B.
Bee.
B.
Good. All right. So now, are we ready to listen to the story?
Okay, please sit down on the mat and ready for reading time.
Yes.
All right?
Oh, why don't we do our fireworks clap, teacher, to get them prepared? Okay, one.
Okay.
Fireworks clap number 1. 1,
Number 1.
2, 3, go. Boom. Wow. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So one day, there was a family. The family was riding in the car. Okay? They're on their way to the castle. Oh, so they were driving, the family was driving, and they are all in the car. On the way to the castle, oh, they met a beautiful dancer. Okay, she is a dancer. Repeat after teacher. Dancer.
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 Okay, what's the color of the dancer's dress? What is the color? Red. She is wearing a red dress. So this is her red dress with yellow, black, and blue. Okay? And then, I know we've learned this word already. Who can tell me what is the dancer holding? Yes, Jerry? Wow. The dancer is holding castanets. Repeat after teacher. Castanets.
Castanet.
Castanets.
Castanet.
Oh, and she is the dancer, so she is dancing. Okay? She is dancing. We are clicking castanets. Like that. Okay, so castanets. And then, so she is actually from Spain. The dancer is from Spain. And her name is Clara. Okay? Clara. She is a dancer from Spain. Then near Clara, there are cats. There is one cat. And how many kittens? Can you see? How many kittens can you see? There are three kittens. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. 3 kittens. Okay?
What about this one, teacher?
Oh, and there is, what about this? This is called a cafe. A cafe. Cafe. Repeat after teacher. Cafe. Cafe, you can drink coffee or eat a little bit of desserts inside in this cafe.
Like cake.
Yes, like cake. Repeat after teacher. Cake.
Cake.
Good. So these are all the sounds that starts with the letter C.
C.
And then the family was able to go to the castle. Okay, and went around the castle. Okay. All right. So in
Now-
our next activity, we will be using this 2 sticky balls, okay? Ooh, who's ready to play the game with this one? Oh, I want you to 1, 2, 3. Okay. Oh. So now, as you can see here at the back of Teacher Nook, we have pictures. These are the pictures that we have learned here a while ago. And they all start with the letter C and K. Okay, so now this is an activity in which involves listening skills as well. It will improve the listening skills of each student. And each group will be given, they will be divided into groups, and one representative will be given a sticky ball. Okay, you may use any other available things or materials that you have. Okay, so this will actually stick to we laminated the paper, so it will stick. Oops. All right, to the picture. So when teacher will call out a picture, so they will form their line, and teacher will call out a picture, and this will also check if they have understood and grasped the lesson. So for example, Teacher Nook is my teacher and I'm the student. Teacher Nook will call out a word.
Okay, number 1. Kite.
Kite. I will then think and look for, where is kite? Oh, I've seen it, so I will throw. Is that a kite? Is that a kite? Yes. Is that a kite?
Yes.
So it's correct. Okay. So are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. So we will divide you into 2 groups. Group 1 and Group 2. Wait. This moment.
กิจกรรมนี้นะคะ อุปกรณ์ที่ต้องใช้ก็คือคำศัพท์นะคะ แผ่นคำศัพท์1อย่างนะคะ โดยที่มีคำศัพท์ที่ขึ้นต้นด้วยตัว C หรือว่าตัว K ที่เราเรียนไปนะคะ แล้วก็ ลูกบอลนี้นะคะถ้าไม่มีเนี่ยก็อาจจะสามารถหาอะไรก็ได้นะคะที่โยนแล้วก็ติดแต่ว่าต้องระวังอย่าให้หนักเกินไปนะคะโดยที่ตอนนี้เนี่ยเราใช้เขาเรียกว่าสติ๊กกี้บอลนะคะโยนไปแล้วก็จะมีเหมือนตัวดูดนะคะตัวดูดกระจกอยู่แล้วก็จะสามารถติดกับคำศัพท์ที่เราเคลือบพลาสติกไว้ได้นะคะแต่ว่าที่ต้องระวังนะคะเด็กๆต้องระวังนะคะเวลาโยนเล็งไปที่คำศัพท์นะคะอย่าเล็งไปที่ตรงอื่นนะคะเพราะอาจจะโดนเพื่อนอาจจะได้รับบาดเจ็บได้แล้วก็ไม่ควรจะยืนไกลคำศัพท์เกินไปนะคะเพราะเดี๋ยวโยนไกลยืนไกลเนี่ยอาจจะโยนพลาดเด้งไปโดนที่อื่นได้นะคะเอาเฉพาะเล็งเฉพาะใกล้ๆคำศัพท์นะคะตรงที่กระดานที่เรายืนอยู่นะคะเอาแบบใกล้ๆนะคะเด็กๆพร้อมหรือยังคะสองกลุ่มนะคะเข้าแถวนะคะ
Okay, stand up.
Okay,
Everybody
two
stand
groups.
up and form 2 lines.
From your lines.
There, here. Yes.
Din, come on.
Okay.
Let's see which line, which group will get a sticky ball. Line up.
Hey.
Line up. Hey. Oh, not straight line yet. Okay. Put your hands down. Right? เด็กๆพร้อมหรือยังคะพร้อมแล้วครับเดี๋ยวคุณครูจะแจก sticky ball กลุ่มละ1นะคะ and then move forward ขยับมาข้างหน้าตรงนี้
That's okay.
อ่า
All right. So listen. I want you to listen to teacher. Okay? Listen. King. Oh! Again, let's do it one more time. One more time. Cat. Very good. Oh, you have to wait. You have to listen. Now, when you see her, just go right away. Listen first, okay? Next. One. Next one. Further leg.
behind
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Very good. Next, listen. Listen carefully and wait. So 1 point.
from this group
Yes, this group and not yet. No
One,
points.
one.
Yes. Next. Kitten. Kitten. There. you go. Okay. 2 points for the girl. For this, sorry, group 1. There's one. Okay, group 1.
oh
And-
group 2 are you ready
Yes.
come on
Let's go. Listen. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Next. Candy. Oh, I think they got a t-shirt. It's just the picture moved, so 1 point. 3 points. Next. Okay, here. All right. Listen to t-shirts. Okay. Next one, it's cook. Oh, again.
again
Listen. Oh, listen. Kite. Oh, one more time and then maybe two go. Okay. Okay. Next. Car. Group 1 again. Group 1, 4. Oh, move back a little. Let's move back. Okay, 1, 2, 3. All right, next.
group 2 come on
Yes, come on, let's do it. Okay, 1, listen. Oh, your friends can hear. Okay. Candy. Oh, group 2. 2 and 4. Okay. Almost. Okay. Next, listen. Cook. Oh, nobody got it again. Next, one more time. Next. Kite. Oh, we got it. Oh, it's 3 and 4. Oh, one more. teach. Okay, teacher will call out the word already. Okay, next. King. Oh! Okay, so group 2 won this time. It's okay. Give it to me. Okay, thank you. Alright. So this time, our next. So they got 5 points and they got 3 points. Very good. Oh, don't worry, teacher will be giving you more class dojo points, teacher. Okay. Alright. So our next activity, we will be using this board.
We have new game. The next game.
Okay. So
Okay. Okay, class, can you please sit down on the mat?
sit down, please. Alright. So our next activity. Oh, sit down properly. 1, 2. SH. Oh, I feel the good word. SH. Very good. CH. Okay, so our next activity, this is called the Velcro phonics, teacher. Okay, so we'll be using the Velcro. This is a pad, or it's an I forgot the name of this one, but it's a board. Okay, and then we place the Velcro, and then we had pictures. Now the pictures that you can see here are pictures from this lesson or period. And there are also pictures from other, like for example, this one, ant. It has a different sound from the K and the C sound. Okay, so they can see some other pictures here which has the sound and some of K sound. So what the student will do is that they will look at the pictures and they will move or transfer the pictures that has the C sound or K sound. So for example, when they look, oh, it's candy. So they will need to put it here, transfer it on top. And then, oh, it's a cat. So they can move it here and they can put it there. But this one, this is stick. Can I put it here? No. Can I put it here? Why? Because it starts with the sound is letter S. Okay? So I won't put it here inside the box. Understand? Okay.
ค่ะขออธิบายกิจกรรมนี้นะคะ กิจกรรมนี้เนี่ยเรามีแผ่นนะคะ เหมือนที่ติดรองเท้าเลยเรียกว่าตีนตุ๊กแกนะคะ โดยที่ตีนตุ๊กแกเนี่ยจะวางเป็นแผ่นแนวแบบนี้นะคะ แล้วก็ข้างหลังคำศัพท์เนี่ยเราจะติดตีนตุ๊กแกไว้อีกด้านหนึ่งนะคะ เพื่อที่จะยึดติดกับแผ่นบนบอร์ดนี้นะคะ โดยที่นักเรียนจะต้องคิดนะคะคำศัพท์ที่ขึ้นต้นด้วยตัวอะไรนะคะเด็กๆC กับตัว K นะคะคำศัพท์ที่ขึ้นต้นด้วยตัว C และตัว K ที่เมื่อกี้เราเรียนไปนะคะแล้วก็เลื่อนคำศัพท์นั้นน่ะดึงออกมาแล้วก็เอาขึ้นมาติดด้านบนกรอบเห็นไหมคะเรามีกรอบตรงนี้กรอบนี้จะรับเฉพาะตัว C กับตัว K ตัวอื่นไม่รับเช่นโอ้ snake มาไม่รับนะคะ snake ไม่เอาแต่ C กับ K หรือว่า antโอ้ตัว A ไม่รับเอาแต่ C กับ K นะคะถ้าหาไม่ได้นะคะตีนตุ๊กแกแบบนี้เราก็อาจจะมีคำศัพท์วางนอกกรอบด้านล่างแทนนะคะวางนอกกรอบด้านล่างแทนแล้วก็เลื่อนให้เด็กๆเนี่ยเลื่อนเอาคำศัพท์ไปวางข้างบนในกรอบนะคะแต่เพียงแต่ว่าถ้ามีตีนตุ๊กแกเนี่ยก็จะสามารถยึดคำศัพท์ไว้ได้ไม่ให้มันปลิวนะคะแต่ถ้าหาไม่ได้จริงๆก็เอาวางไว้เฉยๆแล้วก็เลื่อนไปวางคุณครูก็เดินไปเช็คคำศัพท์กับเด็กๆที่โต๊ะทำงานนะคะโอเค are you ready
Yeah.
alright we will go and sit at your table okay sit on your chair
Alright, so teacher will be giving out this board, okay? Velcro boards, okay? So this one is for you. Now look at the pictures carefully. Look at the pictures carefully, right? Okay. And I want you to think and look. So remember to put the k, k and the k sound inside in the box. Okay, if it's not k, k, then don't put it in the box. So who can tell me what are the words that you have placed inside the box? Yes, P. A car. What else? Chef or a cook. Very good. What else?
Yeah, you can move here.
Cook. He mentioned cook. What else? Huh? A kite. Very good. A kite. What else? What did you place there inside the box? Yes. Huh? King. Very good. What else? Lollipop is a what? It's a candy. Lollipop is a candy.
Teacher,
Okay.
but if you are not sure, like they can check again on
Yes,
the board.
on the board.
There at the back. You can check the words again on the board.
Okay. Very good.
Very good.
Okay.
How many words?
Teacher Nook, I want to ask a student to come up here and read each or say the picture, okay? Come here at front. Yeah. Who wants to come here?
P, come on.
Okay. And can we borrow? Okay. So Peak will now read with a loud voice, louder, okay? You sit down.
Please
Peak will
listen.
now read.
Listen to your friends.
This one, yes. With this one, okay. Inside the one inside the box, okay. Let's listen to our friend. Let's listen to our friend, okay. 1, 2, 3, go.
Candy, car, cook, cat, king, kite.
Excellent. So he said, candy, car, cook, cat, king, and kite. Good job, everyone, okay?
Okay, before we finish the class, we'd like to review again the words that we studied. Okay, all right?
So we will put the boards inside, put it back inside this basket, okay? Here.
เรายังซีกับเคแล้ว
Okay. All right. So listen up. 1, 2, SH. Shh. SH. Shh. SH.
Dean, sit down, please.
Okay. So we will review. What are the two sounds that we have learned in this class? Sorry, one sound but two letters. Okay, what is it? It's the, what is it? C and letter K. Now what is the sound of C and K? I want to hear you. Very good. And let's do the action of letter C. And letter K. Good job. Okay. Who can tell me what two words? Give me two words with letter C.
Candy,
Candy. Letter C. Car. What? And now this time letter K. Cook. K. A kite.
Kite.
And a king.
King.
Okay. So good job. Very good job today. Okay. Good job, everyone. Right. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, teacher Louis and teacher No.
Say goodbye to our friends.
Goodbye.